We're here tonight at InnovationACT launch night for 2018. InnovationACT is a free 10-week entrepreneurship program for students from across Canberra to develop and validate an innovative business idea. In touch with what's on TV at the moment.
I would encourage you just to take the leap.
I was more interested in focused on solving problems, the sorts of things that I really cared about.
And each time I find that I learn more and more, not just about turning an idea into a venture.
So what's happening right now is that we've just finished the official proceedings of launch night, and a lot of people are still looking for teammates. So we're facilitating a bit of a team hunt, so speed, networking, dating type thing, where people will hopefully find people to join their teams and register before the deadline.
Please change tables for round 6.
So tonight we're at InnovationACT's mentor matching event. Essentially we've got a whole bunch of teams and a whole bunch of mentors here. We're letting them go through a bit of a speed dating process to get to know the different mentors and teams, and hopefully try and find the perfect mentor for each team. Trying to balance that need for successful business people or previous entrepreneurs to each of the individual teams that we've got behind us.
So we're Pine Rock Partners. We're trying to make financial planning services available to young professionals and students. We're talking about people who are trying to invest maybe $5,000 with traditional financial planners, usually spend more than it's worth in fees getting into the market. So we're really trying to bring that knowledge and those services down to young professionals and students.
So tonight we spent, the mentors spent 2 minutes talking to participants about their pitch, what they were doing, what value they wanted to provide to their target market.
So the app that we're pitching today is SourceMe. We're looking to make sustainable shopping the easiest for customers by using a traffic light system of green, yellow and red to make shopping easy for you.
And now we're here tonight at the mentor evening, ready just to find someone who can help us with our venture. I mean, starting up as a new business, it's really difficult, especially at our young age, without all of our expertise.
And then we'll do some matching behind the scenes, and hopefully within the next week or so, we'll be able to come back to you guys with who we think might be a good match.
Hi everyone, my name is Saida and I am on Team Infra. This is a mentor beach, so events like this help us with contacting mentors for like our new business ideas and getting it started.
When you see something that's Apple branded, you'll get a certain feeling.
So at the moment, the teams are working on workshop 2. So this is all about their vision, their brand, and how they pitch that. So at the moment, we've got the teams working on part of one of our exercises. They're developing a mood board for their ventures. And what that really means is that they're pulling out the icons, fonts, colors, images that they want people to associate with their ventures and with their ideas. That's a really important part because what that does is it brings together the team and it helps them commit to their venture. In terms of what people can expect to get out of the InnovationACT program, what we're really looking to do is firstly give them the skills, the knowledge and the expertise to try and turn the ideas that I'm sure that they've had and everyone else has had over the years into sustainable, viable ventures. But more than that, we really want them to take these skills, these knowledges, and use that to shift their mindset and try and apply that to their day-to-day lives.
Get feedback, give feedback, and then we'll have some time afterwards to iterate on the executive summaries that you've created. And then we'll share with the wider group.
Oh, like as in, is there a business that takes business?
So all the teams are currently sharing their business executive summary to iterate, improve, and make their executive summary better. I think it's a really good program to add experience and practice the skills you need to actually start the startup process.
So what's happening right now is we're really putting all the pieces together. So we're writing an executive summary to try to get our pitch together for our pitch night, and also really put together everything that we've learned to really define our business.
Yeah, so I'm taking all the toolkits that we've learned over the 8 weeks and compiling them into this nice summary for the judges to test.
traditional owners of the land on which we meet, the Ngunnawal people, and pay my respects to their elders past and present.
We plan on selling this product directly to the consumer through our online store. But having this product feature in a real bricks and mortar retail environment is not out of the question.
We are My Protocol, and I am the CEO, Nick Chibnall.
It's a tricky sort of clinical area, and I don't necessarily see a psychologist or among you. So I'm just wondering how are you actually working to build that sort of expertise into your team?
Your question is why not let the customer pay for the service? So the reason for that is we're doing co-creation with them and start to build a business where we can do other things that we're ambitious about.
First, by connecting consumers directly to the wholesale market.
Now, money could go missing for many reasons. It could be that money was taken to the bank, or money was taken to get supplies for the shop.
Among 102 students across ANU and UC.
Today we'll explain how the Papteam platform can be applied to the NDIS to help empower self-managed participants in getting the help they need.
For businesses, including the ones we're working with, they're keen, already sponsoring athletes.
It's really important to remember that a lot of the value in InnovationACT is who you're meeting in this very room right now and who you've met in the past in other events as well. Someone here has commented about having an amazing mentor, which is really great to see. Of course, they're really valuable parts of our community as well.
Finally, we have our committee, which is I'm just very appreciative of.
Our first client was actually InnovationACT, and it feels really fitting that now I actually get to present a $5,000 branding package.
Congratulations, everyone.